Hey friends, today we learn how to unlock Facebook profile. For that, first of all, open Facebook. Click on three lines and profile icon in the upper corner. Click on your name. Here you see your profile are locked and your post cannot seen to your friends. Now we see how to unlock your profile. For that, once again simply click on three lines or profile icon in the upper corner. Scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Click on profile settings. Click on profile locking. Click on unlock. Then click on unlock your profile. Click on OK. And you see you successfully unlock your profile on Facebook. If you like our video, please subscribe.